Growing on YouTube is hard as hell, probably one of the hardest social medias to grow on. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to use Manus AI to reverse engineer the best videos on YouTube to grow. So here's the plan, step by step. First, we're going to use Manus AI. That has taken the world by storm because of its power and what it can do as far as like an agent. You can almost call it like an autonomous AGI. It's getting pretty close. So we're going to use Manus, and then we're going to find a YouTube channel, which I really like. And the one I'm going to use in this example is Mikey No Code. Shout out to Mikey. He makes amazing content. You guys definitely go check out his stuff. He does a weekly video. And what I love about his video so much is the opening 30 seconds. So check this out.
Yes, this period tracker app is making $8 million every single month, and I built the entire app without having to write one single line of code. Now in this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it step by step. So by the end, YouTube will have a fully functional app that's live and ready to generate serious revenue. No kidding. But here's the problem though. Most no-code tools only let you design the app. They don't set up the back end, the user accounts, or payment processing. So you're kind of left with something that looks good, but doesn't actually work. Now it's
okay, so that's 45 seconds. You could see it's an amazing hook. We're not talking about the visuals here. We're talking about just the auditory, so the script. So my idea is, why don't I tell Manus to look at his top performing videos and also other YouTubers, which we'll get later, but I want to just use him as an example, and basically pull in all that data. So then I could take that data and then I could train another agent to figure out exactly the structure of his script, and then I'll be able to use it as a template to then write my own hooks for my videos. So that's the idea. So we're going to, first things first, is we're going to pull up his channel. I haven't done this. This is going to be done in real time. We're going to see the power of Manus. So I'm going to say this. I want to create the best YouTube hook script writing agent, period. I want to use this YouTube channel to take the first 1-minute transcripts of his top performing videos. Let's just do the top 10 videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right here and I'm going to sort his videos by most popular. This is like a really good way. But if you look at all his videos, 32x, 25x, 21x, 13x. So this is essentially what his performance is on these videos. And I truly believe it's because of the first minute. He is just an absolute master. So Mikey, shout out to you, bro. You're doing an amazing job. And maybe one day we'll be able to collab together. So back to the video. So Manus. So here is the YouTube URL. I want to create a video. I'm going to get rid of this last sentence. I want you to use this YouTube channel to take the first 1-minute transcripts of all his top performing videos. Let's just fire that off. That's the first prompt. Let's just see what Manus is able to do and how quickly. So for me to do this, this would basically take me, probably 20-30 minutes. So let's just give Manus this assignment. My name is Marcin AI, and if you guys have not watched my channel, I am a no-code AI developer. I have an amazing community called the No-Code AI Army. There is 2,965 members in our group where people are creating, they're designing. We have developers, designers, coders, non-coders, full stack guys, marketing guys, and women also. And we're all creating and making SaaS businesses. We're developing app projects. We're doing demos, games. I mean, you name it, we've done it and we're currently doing it. So it's free for you guys. Just a quick little shameless plug while this is loading. And the idea for this is obviously done by other apps, right? Like you could use other apps to do this, but you're going to have to pay a subscription. This isn't some breakthrough, but I just figured why not use a channel that's doing amazing and then reverse engineer what that hook looks like. Because most YouTubers will always say, including Mr. Beast and some of the best, that the first 30 seconds of that video, that initial hook, is everything. Everything after that is just getting people to continue watching. But it's like, get the first 5 seconds right, you get 30 seconds or a minute. You get the first minute right, you potentially get 5 to 10 minutes. So that's what we're trying to do here. And we're going to use Manus. And if this works, I might actually make a software for this where you could put your favorite creators and then be able to actually extract as a template to then import into, let's say, ChatGPT or other AI tools, or maybe even Manus, to then be able to extract ongoing basis. So a video pops off like an outlier, we might be able to use this tool to then see why it did that. So one great addition that Manus added is right here. You could see preview mode. So right now Manus is actually going in and watching. Check this out. You click browse and it's actually going in and watching the YouTube video and getting the transcription from the actual video. So this is super powerful. Here we go. Let's see. It's pretty insane that what it's able to do. So it creates its own browser, and then it's able to go in and actually watch the videos and watch the transcripts. I did another amazing video on Manus AI where I actually had to plan out my trip to Portugal and also build a game at the same time. You guys could definitely watch it. It's somewhere here in my feed, and it blew my mind. It went in, it took about 37 minutes, but it literally made a whole plan for my Portugal trip this May with people to meet, places to see, the best places to eat, and all of the planning. Also found me an Airbnb that I can stay in, like a long-term rental, because I want to go for a month during May, and I'm just blown away by it. So I want to continue making stuff for you. And if you have any ideas what videos I should make for Manus AI, definitely let me know below, because it is super, super exciting, the times we're living in. All right, version 1, Manus, here we go. So we got hook pattern analysis from Mikey No Code, top videos. So let's just take a read through this. Common hook elements. All videos begin with, what's up guys, Mikey here. I do like that actually. I need to maybe introduce that obviously as a brand identity. You know, what's up guys, it's Marcin here. Marcin AI here. I think that'll be good. So directly after beginning, he states what he'll show viewers. I'm going to show you how to build an online casino app without writing a single line of code. I'm going to show you how I build a period tracker app with 8 millions. I'm going to show you how insane app builder. So there you go. So I'm already seeing an exact template that he's using, which I absolutely love. So immediate value statement. Then we got addressing objections. He anticipates and addresses viewers' concerns with, now I know what you're thinking. Now I know what you're thinking. This might be illegal in some countries. I love that. Now I know what you're thinking. That a lot of money for a period tracker. Now I know what you're thinking. Is this even legal? So clearly he is using a template to do this. So I'm not out of my mind where I thought that's what it was. I think he was just kind of freestyling this when I first saw it, but clearly he's not. No code promise. Writing without line of code. I didn't write a single line of code. You don't need any coding experience. Financial incentive mentions monetary potential. 10,000 online casino app. Making 8 million a month. Implies financial success through app cloning, and 2 million a month. Beautiful. Step-by-step promise. I'm going to show you step by step. I'm going to show you exactly how I built this app step by step. I love it. Best part highlight. But this isn't just any tutorial besides showing you how to build an entire app. And the best part, I didn't write a single line of code. And then the end result promise concludes that everything you need to know to start an online app without writing any code knowledge. This is absolutely fantastic. Manus has done this all on its own. You can see what it did here. Access the channel, identified the top performing videos, extracted first minute, compiled transcripts, analyzed the pattern, and then wrote all of the validation and then delivered the results to me. So now what I'm going to do, also as you can see here, it's a hook structure. Greeting, value statement, objection handling, detail promise, best part headline or highlight, and result promise, call to action, all within the first minute. This is amazing. So now we're going to go curious gap. So the persuasion techniques that he uses in this. And I wouldn't be surprised if he did this on his own. He's obviously a very, very smart guy. Or if he used ChatGPT to do this, to help him with it. And he's just delivering amazing content. Next, we're going to create a custom GPT using ChatGPT to be able to have this set up for us so we could always come back to it with all of the context and the direction. So if you can ever mess around with GPTs, these are amazing. So as you can see here, discover and create custom versions of ChatGPT that combine instruction, extra knowledge, and any combination of skills. So I love doing this. I bet there's some for writing already for YouTube and all that kind of stuff, but I want to make our own. And that was why we did this using Manus. So we're going to create new, and then we're going to paste our Manus details, the analysis. But if you look on the beginning, what I changed was I want to create a custom GPT for YouTube first minute transcript to write the best hook intros. Here's the exact template I want to follow, and I want you to prompt me with 3 questions. 1, what is the title of your video? 2, describe the thumbnail in detail. And 3, what is the goal of the video and what is it about? So this is really important because I wanted to give me those questions every single time I come in here. So I'm making a new video. I'm going to come into my custom GPT, and bang, it's going to ask me question 1, question 2, question 3, and then it's going to spit out the template for me, the first 1-minute script, and then I'm going to be able to obviously customize it to fit the video and make it. So those are going to be our 3 questions. And obviously we have the context, right? So we're giving it the instruction. Let's name this GPT. So YouTube viral 1-minute script. We'll just put hook so I know what it is. You can put an image if you want. but that's not important. We have our knowledge base. It's got everything here. And next thing you see are questions. What is your title of your video? Describe the thumbnail in detail. And what is the goal of the video and what is it about? Let's actually switch these two. I want to have this third. Okay, what is the goal? And then describe the thumbnail. So those are the 3 steps. So now let's go in and go to create. And now we're going to click over here. And what is the title of your video? So click on that. And now we're going to try it. So title of my video. I use Manus AI to hack YouTube algorithm. Okay, so that's number 1, as you can see. Now it's asking for the second thing. Describe the thumbnail in detail. The thumbnail is going to be me with huge eyes, shocked, with a logo of Manus AI, and then a screenshot of YouTube views and engagement going upwards. Screams, click me. I love it. And now, last but not least, is number 3. What is the goal of the video? In this video, I'm going to break down how I use Manus AI to reverse engineer a very popular channel called Mikey No Code, take the first-minute transcript of his most viral videos, and Manus AI did this all fully autonomously, and how it was able to go to the browser and do all of this automatically without me having to do anything. And then I took that information to create a custom ChatGPT called the YouTube Viral 1-minute script generator to allow me to make the best opening hooks scripts using this template. There you go. So now we have our 3 elements, and now let's see what it is. Bro, this is straight up YouTube gold. You've got a secret tool, a viral channel, AI automation doing all the work, a ChatGPT custom tool, massive value. Here's the viral 1-minute hook. All right, drum roll. What's up, guys? Marcin AI here. Today I'm going to show you how I hacked the YouTube algorithm using an AI agent that literally did all the heavy lifting for me automatically. Now I know what you're thinking. Another AI tool that promises views, but this is different because Manus AI went out, browsed YouTube, scraped Mikey No Code most viral intros and broke them down for me on its own. And the best part, I didn't write a single line of code. No transcripts, no manual research, just hit go and boom. Manus AI reverse engineered exactly what those videos blew up. But here's where it gets wild. I took these insights and I built a custom GPT that writes high converting YouTube hooks in seconds using the same formula that made Mikey's videos go viral. By the end of this video, you'll have a secret weapon that lets you create viral intros like the pros, even if you've never gone viral before. Let's get started. Absolutely incredible. And that's the power of Manus AI, ChatGPT, taking what you know works. In this case, we used the amazing channel Mikey No Code. I'm going to reach out to you, Mikey, too, for the inspiration. I appreciate you, bro. And we created a custom GPT. And now we're going to do this for our videos. And I'll keep you posted on the next one. Marcin AI, I'm out for now. But check out our community. And at any time, you guys could check out any of the links. And of course, if you end up buying anything, buys me a cup of coffee, I am always super grateful for you guys. And I love making this content for you. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace for now.